my students, how are you? Today we will start with lesson 4 in chapter 1, Acacia Tree and Water Lily. I will read this passage or this paragraph and you will answer the question. There are different types of plants and they grow in every habitat around the world. Plants in nature grow in one place and they can't move from one place to another place. So plants grow in one place and plants can't move from one place to another place. Okay? Okay. Plants cannot travel when it is cold to somewhere warm to live, but each plant has traits that help it survive and adapt its habitat. Okay? If the weather is very cold, plants can move from one place to another place. No, plants uh, can adapt with this weather by its traits. Okay. For example, acacia tree and water lily. Acacia tree uh, grow in desert habitat which there is a shortage of water. Okay. But acacia tree has many traits which help us to survive in the desert, like leaves grow at the bottom of the branches and spread out in the shape of umbrella. Okay, and the branches have thorns to prevent animals from eating its leaves. So the branches of acacia tree have thorns. Why? To prevent animals, to avoid animals from eating its leaf. Okay, and the second traits which acacia trees has it to grow to prevent it from animals leaves. Okay, acacia tree has roots. These roots very long, so they can help acacia tree to reach the underground water. So acacia tree has two traits. These traits help acacia tree to live in the desert. What are these traits? Number one, branches have thorns to prevent animals from eating its leaves. Number two, roots. Roots is very long, so they can help acacia tree to reach the underground water, the water underground. Okay. Look at this picture. This picture refers to acacia, lily water. Lily water. Lily water lives in fresh water like rivers. This picture refers to acacia tree. Look at this leaf. Look at this leaf. This leaf from lily water. The leaf has a waxy layer. The water lily has leaves. These leaves have a waxy layer. Why? To keep water out. And the leaf lower surface has thorns. Why? To protect it from fish and another organisms from eating it. Okay? And the stem of lily water is flexible and long. Think with me why? To fix it in the mud of the bottom of the water. To fix it in the bottom of the water. So lily water has two traits. Number one, leaves are large and the surface of leaf covered with wax to keep water out. And the leaf lower surface has thorns to protect it from fish and other organisms from eating it. Number two, stem is long and flexible to fix it in the mud at the bottom of water. Okay, about true or false? False. Okay, there is one type of plant in the whole world. No, there are many types of uh, plants in the world. Plants can travel when it is cold to somewhere warm to live. No. Acacia tree and water lily live in the desert. No, acacia tree lives in the desert, but lily water lives in the fresh water. Lily water plant has big round leaves to absorb the sunlight. Yes. Acacia tree has thorns in its branches to stop animals from eating the leaves. Okay, yes. In water lily plants, the bottom of leaf is waxy to keep water out. Yes. Choose. Acacia tree has very long roots to what? Roots to reach water. To reach water. Water lily has leaves which are all the previous answer. Waxy and thorny, big and round. The stem of water lily plants are short and flexible, or short and not flexible, or long and flexible, long and flexible. Okay. Analyzing historical informations, we can know more about many things from many sources, like water lily or water lily. We use the source boxes to know information about water lily. Look at this picture. We use photograph. We use the source to know what water lily look like, and we use this source to know how important water lily was to the ancient art. We can know information about water lily from books, and a photograph help us to know how the water lily look like, and we use this source to know how important water lily was to the ancient art. Lesson 5, can you see me? We will take this in the next session. Stay safe and goodbye.